guys, this is Abid from MySmartPrice, and today we are going to unbox the new Vivo Nex. The box itself is beautiful and the contents of the box are fairly standard. It has the Vivo Nex, of course, and earphones, a protective case, a SIM removal tool and a charging cable. My very first reaction was that this phone is really beautiful to look at. So the Vivo Nex launched in China on June 12th, and it's all set to launch in India today. So far, smartphone manufacturers have been fighting for maximum screen to body ratio, and for that they have opted for bezel-less displays. But if you look at most of the smartphones nowadays, they have a notch at the top so that they can house a camera and sensors in that. But the Vivo Nex has a truly bezel-less display. It does not has a notch, and for that, Vivo has opted for a pop-out camera and an in-display fingerprint scanner to make this a truly bezel-less smartphones. Let's take a look at the specifications and features of the Vivo Nex. So the Vivo Nex comes with a 6.59-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has a 16MP plus 5MP dual camera at the back with 4-axis OIS. At the front, it has a pop-up camera which has a resolution of 8 megapixels. The device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, and in India it's available in only one variant which has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And the device is backed by a 4000 mAh battery. It has USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack and dual SIM connectivity. And it supports dual SIM, dual 4G and dual VoLTE. As we mentioned, the device also has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So the Vivo Nex has been priced at 4990, and it competes with the Samsung Galaxy S9, Google Pixel and the OnePlus 6. According to me, the Vivo Nex has a great value for money because it has better specifications than most of the competitors in its price range. Talking about the pros and cons of the device, the Nex has a really powerful processor which is the Snapdragon 845. It also has a bezel-less, notch-less display, and it's a Super AMOLED unit. And the standout feature of the device is its front-facing camera which pops out. What I did not like about the device is its UI. It looks very outdated. The icons are outdated, the transitions are outdated. Another thing I did not like is its camera performance. It's good, but not as good as its competitors. So that was our first impression of the Vivo Nex. Stay tuned for our full review. Till then, like and comment on our videos.